Hey lads, TechScanning here. At this point, we know that Oppo is gearing up to launch its Oppo Find X6 series, which is expected to hit the market anytime soon. And during the last few months, we have been hearing a lot about the Find X6 and the Find X6 Pro that the handsets will be equipped with top-of-the-line hardware. More than a month ago, we got our first look at the Oppo Find X6, which revealed that there will be a huge rear camera island on the phone. And now the live images of the Oppo Find X6 prototype shared by a popular tipster digital chat station showcasing the back design of the phone. And I'm sure while watching this, you will be saying, what the actual is this? Yes, there is a huge squarish camera island on the back of the handset covering almost half of the rear panel. However, most likely this is a camouflage design and the final design will look much better than this prototype. Around 2 months ago, we also got the live images of the Oppo Find X6 Pro, which seems to be in line with this prototype image featuring a huge rear camera island. So one thing I can say for sure, the Oppo Find X6 will have a massive camera bump. Let me know what you think about this design in the comment section below. Moving forward, the key specifications of the whole Oppo Find X6 series appeared online, and according to that, there will be two Pro models, one with the most latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and another with the Dimensity 9200, while the standard Oppo Find X6 will hold a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is also a flagship chipset. The whole lineup will carry a curved 120Hz display, however the Pro model will come with a 6.82 inches, while the basic Find X6 will have a slightly smaller 6.74 inches display. However, it's the camera setup that makes it the Oppo Find X series more interesting. So all three models will house 50 megapixel camera setups, but there will be differences in the sensor models. The Find X6 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be the most highlighted one because of the Sony 1-inch IMX989 sensor that is currently under the use of Xiaomi 13 Pro and Vivo X90 Pro Plus. And we can say without any doubt that it is one of the best sensors out there. The other two sensors will include Sony IMX890, whereas the Oppo Find X6 Pro with Dimensity 9200 chipset will sport all three 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor. Speaking of the standard Oppo Find X6 camera setup, it will mix up things where the Sony IMX890 will serve as the main, Samsung ISOCELL GN1 for ultra-wide, and another Sony IMX763 telephoto lens for zoom purposes. Another big difference is that the Oppo Find X6 and the Pro models will also be different in image processing. So the Pro models will feature the second generation of MediSilicon X2 chip, while the vanilla model image processing will rely on the older first gen of MediSilicon X chip. Regardless of the variant, there will be a 32 megapixel Sony's IMX709 selfie sensor in the punch hole style. Oppo is expected to unveil the X6 series next month, and most likely more information will come up soon before the launch. Of course, I will keep you updated, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.